Hey guys, it's KraftByJazzy. So we are going to go inside Dollar Tree for a little bit. I don't know if I'm gonna do a couple clips with y'all in there because if I find something, maybe I'll add it to it. But I have to get a couple things and I'll show you my little haul soon. Alright guys, so I am out of Dollar Tree and I got a couple things that I wanted to use around the house. So typically, I don't know if you guys shop at Dollar Tree like I do all the time. They have their little white and kind of like bluish brooms. Basically, the quality is not the greatest, guys. So my problem with that is that typically when I buy those, the metal rod is very flimsy kind of, and if you just literally bend it, it breaks. So because of that, I decided to look around to see what else I could find. So as I was looking around, I wasn't sure if I was going to buy a broom or not. I saw that they came out with an interchangeable broom set thing. So basically it's a rod and it's a lot more thicker kind of. I kind of, not to break it in the store, but you know, try to see if it's flimsy, and it didn't budge. So fingers crossed that this one does not break that easy, because if it doesn't, then I will tell you guys if it's a good quality or not. But because you pay for the rod, if you spend a couple extra dollars, you can buy different interchangeable bottoms to this. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Hold on one second. Alright guys, so here's one that can be interchangeable. Now obviously you gotta pay for this head of the broom, but it's okay because if you spend this and it actually works, I mean, why not for the time being? And then they have another one which I thought was cool. I got both of them because I wasn't sure, you know, sweeping, sometimes you want to get in the corners, but then sometimes you just want a little bit more sturdier, and I like that other one. This one, it seems a little bit more sturdier, so that's a good choice for that. So they also had an interchangeable what is it called, like dry mop head, kind of the things that you would put like the almost like paper towel, what would you call them? I don't know, I'm drawing a blank guys, but you know what I mean, like the little Swiffer, there you go, Swiffers. They're like the Swiffers, of course they're not Swiffer brand, but they interchange with the rod as well. And then they also have like the Swiffer mop, heavy duty and light, and then they also have one for dusting. So I thought that was really a smart idea that Dollar Tree is coming up with. Now of course, if you think about it, you gotta pay for individually for everything, but once you buy basically kind of the whole set, I mean, you can't beat that for what, maybe $10 to $12 versus going to like Walmart. You're gonna be buying an expensive mop and you're gonna be buying you know, expensive brooms. So for the time being, why not try it? I mean, I didn't buy the actual Swiffer mop only because I don't typically use Swiffers. I have a big old regular mop at home with a bucket that I can put water in, and I purchased that a while ago. So it didn't make sense for me to use a Swiffer right now, but in the time being, maybe in the future, I can maybe, you know, buy it and try it out and see how it works. So with that being said, I was actually excited guys when I saw this in Dollar Tree, because I've been wanting something like this for a little while, to kind of just organize up my laundry room a little bit better. And so I saw that they had this, guys. Look. So it's basically a hook on one side and then two little adapter thingies that you could stick your rods in, which I thought that was an awesome idea because I didn't know they sold these, honestly, and I thought that was great because I've been wanting this so I can stick my little rod on there and maybe get a little hook or something to stick the heads on. And it's a perfect little DIY setup, so yay. Another thing that I decided to buy, the other day was my son's birthday yesterday, and today we're going to be making a cake. So I was walking by, you know, the houseware area and saw these guys. So I'm going to try it out, see how it works. I already have these little pieces that I purchased a while back. I don't know if they will fit on here, but they do come with some. So I want to see how this works, and you can wash it out. So that was very cool. I bought two of them just in case I want to do two different colors of frosting. But check out our new little channel of my kids' channel, and we will be making his cake on there. So their channel is the Farmhouse Kids or Farmhouse Kids. I don't know if there's a the or not, but I will post it in the link below. But it also has the little hyphen. I might change it just because it's hard to find sometimes with the hyphen. I don't know what I'm gonna put in between, but as of right now, that is what it is. So check it out. If you have kids, I'm gonna start posting stuff on there as my other little side work, so stay tuned. So as I was walking around the craft area, I actually was excited again because I didn't realize they have this, guys, and I just saw something that I really want to do my own DIY, which I will post a picture at the bottom here. But this is awesome because they got in the vinyl area, guys, for the Cricut. They have leather, guys. I don't know. It doesn't seem like it has the sticky part on the side, so I don't think you could put it on a shirt. But it is a piece of leather, guys. And I was super excited because I just saw a craft, as you can see, and I wanted to try it out. Alright guys, so another thing that I saw that I want to do is I have a DIY that I wanted to do a little house with, and this one is actually I think you can write dry board race on it, a dry board eraser one, but I don't know if I'm gonna put that on there. I think I want to put some vinyl from my Cricut on here and make a cute saying. So stay tuned because this will be another DIY. And then let's see, what else did I find? Oh, and then I found this one, which I want to decorate. My friend Jill Creations, shout out to her, but she made a cute magnetic command center kind of thing, and I want to eventually do that, but I'm gonna have to try to get that little metal picture frame that she found. I haven't been able to find them, and I might have to suck it up and buy a whole case of them and then just get my money back because I cannot find them anywhere. But Jill Creations, if you see this and you happen to have a spare one, maybe I could borrow from you or take it from you. Or if you happen to see them and you're buying a case, let me know and I'm gonna give you some cash for it. But anyways, I found this one, which I think will be cute to go with the command center as well on my refrigerator, so stay tuned. Next, guys, is I told you I'm doing my update in my bathroom, and so I have some cute DIYs that I want to try for my bathroom, and I needed some of these shower curtain rod holders. I typically don't like buying plastic ones just because sometimes they break very easily, but the metal ones won't work for what I want to do, so I'm gonna try to use these and see how it comes out. And then I have bought 2 of those. You get 12 rings in here. I probably won't need all 12, but I know my boys have been yanking on their new curtain from Yoda, or Baby Yoda, or whatever you want to call it, the child, and they need some more, so I could give them some spare ones. Alright guys, also while I was in the houseware area, I picked up some carpet, sprinkle stuff, whatever you want to call it. I do have guests coming over later, so I wanted to freshen up the house, and this is Armor Hammer, so why not? Plus it smells pretty good. I've used it before. We always run out, and I always just come back here and get some more, so I needed some more. And then recently my boys have been putting things down the drain that they're not supposed to be putting down, and so I saw these and I wanted to try them out. They are the what is it called, mesh drain like holders, I guess, that you put in the drain so things don't go down the drain. I don't know if the small one is going to work. I might need 2 big ones, but we're gonna see. Alright guys, and then also in the houseware, I want to redo my little stove mittens because I saw a DIY that Jill posted, but that's going to be later down in a couple DIYs from now. But I did need to pick up some other little mittens because my husband prefers the little ones. I kind of like the hand ones, but I wanted to try these out because these were different looking. So they have the rubber kind of mat on the back, and then they have like a pocket right here. I guess you can put your hand like this in it, and then I guess you can kind of pick it up like this. So we're gonna see how these work out. These I won't decorate with. These are gonna be used, but I do want to buy some to decorate because they keep using it. So also I picked up some more little hand sanitizer. I didn't show you guys. I don't think I have any on me right now. Let's see if I can show you. I saw these a while ago, maybe a couple weeks ago or so, and I was excited because they had all different colors. I only picked the pink because I usually rock with pink. As you can see, my channel's pink, and I use these all the time, either in my purse or in work. So I had to pick up some little small ones to replenish, just making sure I have hand sanitizer on me. Also guys, I found some more kitchen towel cloths. I don't know, I might use one of them to be a pillow. I'm not sure yet because, you know, I like my DIY pillows with them. But this one is really cute. I think it would be great around the kitchen. It says, come gather in our kitchen, sit long, talk much, and laugh often. So I love that. It's very awesome. It does come in a 2-pack, and these, I'm actually surprised. These are very thick towels for Dollar Tree. Typically, you know, you get the cheap cloths and washcloths that are just not the greatest material, but these are pretty thick, and you get 2 of them, and they are a 2-pack of a 28 by 16. So they're very big. I almost thought they were a 4-pack. But yeah guys, so pretty much that's my quick little DIY haul. I guess I wouldn't call it a DIY because I didn't do no DIY, but I do have DIYs coming, so stay tuned. And then this is my quick little run to Dollar Tree haul. So to see what I typically pick up on a regular basis and what I like to shop with and buy. So stay tuned, be well. I know a lot of things are going around lately, so make sure you're wearing your mask. By the way, I did pick up some masks the other day at Hobby Lobby, which I was excited. I got these really cheap. Guys, I'm gonna tell you a secret. Always check around your stores, because you just never know what you're gonna get. I bought a bunch of packs of masks, super nice ones too, different colors, and they were like $1.75 for 2 packs. So just look around. I know some of y'all don't want to wear masks. That's cool, that's your preference. I like to still wear my mask. I'm not trying to get sick, especially working with a bunch of kiddos. So just staying safe out here. Got my hand sanitizer and all that stuff. So hope to see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to hit that bell, subscribe, jazz it up, go share it around, spread the joy, and we'll see you guys on the next one.
Hey y'all, it's KraftByJazzy. Thanks for watching my videos, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and stay tuned to see more of my DIYs, shopping sprees, and more.